ನೀ ಇನ್ನೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಚಲೋ ಬರೀಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು.
You should have written exam well.
Yes, you should have done your exam very well.
Well.
ಪಾಪ ಈ ಕಾರ್ ನೀ ವೈಟ್ ಕಾರ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು.
Papa, you should have purchased white car.
Yes. Okay, welcome everybody. In this grammar debate, we are having discussion on very important concept of grammar, that is use of should and should have. We are already learned this one, when to use should and should have. And may I ask you when to use should? Okay, Kirtana, what is the usage of should?
Should is used to tell, give order, advice, or compulsion.
Yes, should usage is for giving order, advice, and compulsion. Example, Sneha.
Should example.
Huh.
I should play with them.
Yes, I should play with them. You should play with them. Okay, next. Any other example?
I should eat the food.
I should eat food. Okay, then next.
I should sing a song.
Yes, you are giving advice yourself. You give advice to others.
They should sing a song.
Yes, directly you, using you.
You should write.
Yes, next.
I should drink water.
Yes, give advice to others. You, using you.
You should dance in the program.
Yes, you should.
Dance in the program.
Yes, next.
You should sing a song.
Yes, you should sing a song. Okay, next.
You should play in the ground.
Yes, you should play in the ground. Next.
You should run.
You should run. You should walk. ನೀ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಎದ್ದು ಹಾಲು ಕುಡಿಬೇಕು.
You should drink water.
Drink water. Okay.
Morning.
Now I will ask some of the sentences in Kannada. You have to tell in English. Okay. ಕೀರ್ತನ ನೀ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ನೀ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು.
Kirtana, you should practice your handwriting.
Yes. ಕೀರ್ತನ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಎದ್ದು ನೀ ವಾರ್ಮ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಕುಡಿಬೇಕು.
Kirtana, you should drink warm water.
Yes. ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರು, ನೀ ನೋಡಪ್ಪ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಎದ್ದು ಜಾಗ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. You should jog.
You should jog in the morning.
Yes, you should jog in the morning. ನೀ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನೀ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಬಾರ್ದು. Your mother says don't go anywhere in the evening.
You should not go anywhere in
Yes,
the
you
evening.
should not go. You should not play. You should not sing. You should not act. You should not ride. You should not travel. These are the advice. Now let's talk about now use of should have. When to use should have? When to use should have? यार मतलब use of should have. Should have is used with regretting. Regret, ಪಶ್ಚಾತ್ತಾಪ ಪಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ನಾ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು, ನಾ ಇನ್ನೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚಂದಾಗಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. Okay? Should have plus V3 form. Verbs V3. Past participle. Okay, can you make some sentences of should have plus V3? Start.
You should have drunk warm water.
Yes, you should have drunk warm water. ನೀ ನೀರು ಕುಡಿಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಯಾವ ಬಿಸಿನೀರು ಕುಡಿಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಓಕೆ, ನೀ ಇನ್ನೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಚಲೋ ಬರೀಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಭಿಷೇಕ. ನೀ ಇನ್ನೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಚಲೋ ಬರೀಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು.
You should have written exam well.
Yes, you should have written your exam very well.
Well.
ನೀ ಜಲ್ದಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು.
You should have written earlier.
Yes, ನೀ ಜಲ್ದಿ ಬರಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು.
You should have come early.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀ ಜಲ್ದಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು.
You should have gone early.
Yes, you should have gone early. ನೀ ಇನ್ನೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು.
You should have practiced well.
You should have tried well. Okay, ನೀ ಇನ್ನೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚಂದಂಗೆ ಹಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು.
You should have sung a song well.
Yes, you should have sung a song
Well.
well. ಪಪ್ಪ ಈ ಕಾರ್ ನೀವು ತಗೋಬಾರ್ದಾಗಿತ್ತು.
Papa, you should have not purchased.
You should not have.
Should not.
You should not have purchased this car. ಪಪ್ಪ ಈ ಕಾರ್ ನೀ ವೈಟ್ ಕಾರ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು.
Papa, you should have purchased white car.
Yes, you should have purchased white car. ನಾ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ 8 ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೊದಲ ಕಲಿಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಮಲ್ಲಿಕಾರ್ಜುನ್, ನಾ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮೊದಲು 2 ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೊದಲ ಕಲಿಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು.
I should have learnt English before 2 years.
Yes, 2 years ago. I should have learned English 2 years
ago.
ನಾ 2 ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಭೇಟಿ ಆಗಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು.
I should have met you before 2 years.
Yes, before 2 years or 2 years ago. ನೀವು ನನಗೆ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಸರ್.
You should have called me.
ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಮೀ. ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಮೀ. ಕಾಲ್ ಸ್ನೇಹ, ನೀವು ಧಾರವಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು.
You should have gone to Dharwad.
ಎಸ್, ನೀವು ಹುಬ್ಳಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು.
You should have gone to Hubli.
ನೀವು ಹುಬ್ಳಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಬಾರ್ದಾಗಿತ್ತು.
You should not have gone to Hubli.
ಎಸ್, ನೀವು ನಿನ್ನೆ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಬಾರ್ದಾಗಿತ್ತು.
You should not have gone to school.
ನೀವು ನಿನ್ನೆ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು.
You should have gone to school.
ಎಸ್. ನಾವು ಕೇಳ್ತಾನ ಸರ್, ನಾನು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು.
Sir, I should have gone for school.
ಐ ಶುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಾನ್ ಟು
School.
ನಾ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಗೆ ಜಲ್ದಿ ಬರಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು.
Sir, I should have come early to
ಐ ಶುಡ್
class.
ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಅರ್ಲಿ.